Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and a very warm welcome to Alias Kitchen Creations. Today I've got a quick, simple and delicious recipe for you for my Mediterranean salad. The best thing about this is you can have it as an accompaniment to your meal, or if you fancy a quick, light, healthy lunch. And it's great for those summer barbecues too. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe for this delicious Mediterranean salad. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. I'll see you real soon with another delicious recipe on Alias Kitchen Creations. But for now, stay safe, stay healthy and keep cooking.